Welcome to our review of the SBI Card PULSE, one of the top choices for fitness enthusiasts in 2024. Whether you're already a card holder or thinking of applying, this video will guide you through everything you need to know. Let's start with a quick overview. The SBI Card PULSE is specially designed for those who are passionate about fitness and wellness. The card offers fitness-related rewards such as free gym memberships and discounts on fitness equipment. It also includes complimentary access to premium health clubs and wellness centers, adding tremendous value to those looking to maintain an active lifestyle. Beyond fitness, the card provides attractive cashback offers and rewards on various purchases, making it an all-around great choice for regular spenders too. In terms of fees, the SBI Card PULSE comes with an annual fee of 1,499 Indian rupees, but this fee can be waived based on your spending patterns. For fitness lovers, the perks easily outweigh the cost. Free access to healthcare apps, discounts on wellness products, and annual subscriptions to fitness apps like Cult.fit are some standout features. Moreover, if you spend 2 Indian rupees lakh annually, the renewal fee is waived, making it even more attractive. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. While the card is excellent for fitness-related rewards, if you're not heavily invested in wellness activities, the benefits may not justify the annual fee. The card also has relatively limited options for cashback on non-fitness purchases when compared to other cards in the same segment. The SBI Card PULSE also offers cutting-edge security features, including contactless payments and real-time notifications for every transaction. This ensures safety and convenience while using the card across various platforms. Additionally, the card offers reward points on daily expenses, fuel surcharges, dining, and entertainment, providing an all-rounder package for users. To conclude, the SBI Card PULSE is tailored for a niche group of fitness enthusiasts. If you're someone who prioritizes health and wellness and wants to get rewarded for it, this card is worth considering. On the other hand, if fitness isn't your top priority, there are better cashback or rewards cards out there with lower fees and more flexible rewards. Before you make any decision, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, and stay tuned for more credit card reviews.